Hi, today I'll show you how to download and install mouse toggle for your Amazon Fire TV stick. The first thing you gotta do is get a downloader app to your Amazon Fire TV stick. To do so, go to search and type a downloader here. Usually it's not necessary to type in the whole name of the app. As you can see, it already popped out here at the bottom. But if in your case you do not see the app yet, then just type in the full name, which is downloader, and press on select button. So here's the app that we are looking for. I already have it on my device. In your case, you're going to have to download first. Then what we're gonna do is enable the developer options on our Amazon Fire TV stick to allow the downloader to install other apps from the internet. To do so, go to settings. By the way, you can access settings by holding your home button for a couple of seconds. Then we go to my Fire TV. Here I already have the developer options, but if you do not see the feature yet, then first go to About and select Fire TV stick, then press on the select button for 7 times. As you can see at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. In my case, in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So go back a bit, and now you'll see the developer options here. Make sure that you enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and make sure that installing unknown apps is enabled for the downloader app. And now we go straight to the downloader app. Here in the downloader app, we must use that search bar. In the search bar, you gotta type bit.ly/mousefire, then press on go. We have to wait for a couple of seconds here. While we are waiting, make sure to hit the like button on this video, and of course subscribe my channel for more tutorials on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Now we have to press on install button in the right bottom corner. But after it is installed, do not open it yet, instead press on done. Here we must delete the installation file because we do not need it anymore, but you shouldn't really clog memory of your Fire Stick because it doesn't have too much free space anyway, so always delete your installation files. And now we are not done yet. We have to go to settings. To do so, press on your home button and hold it for a couple of seconds. Go to settings, then to my Fire TV, developer options, and make sure that ADB debugging is enabled on your device. Now we go to a home screen to the list of our apps. Here's the mouse toggle app, let's open it. There we must enable the mouse service. When it asks to allow USB debugging, you must select always allow, then press on OK. I also recommend allowing the auto start of mouse service. This way you won't have to manually enable the app every time you turn on your Fire Stick. Now at the bottom it says starting here. We need to wait until it says started. In some cases it might get locked for some reason or freeze, so the status doesn't change. In that case, once again, we go to settings, my Fire TV, developer options, and just turn off and turn on the ADB debugging once again. Then go back to the app, and it should be working now. So let's go to a browser and check how it works. So to enable the mouse toggle, you have to press on the play button 2 times and do it fast. As you can see, the mouse toggle has appeared. It's pretty easy to control it. Just use your regular controls here. If you want to disable the mouse toggle process is the same, just double click on the play button. And in case you're wondering how to scroll websites down or up with the mouse toggle, well, just hold down the fast forward button to scroll down, or on the options button to scroll up. That's how you enable a mouse toggle on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. Once again, do not forget to sub my channel for more tutorials on your Amazon Fire TV Stick.